Hey guys, welcome again. And now we'll start with pattern 16. In the pattern 16, we are given a number n and we have to write code to print this pattern, which is starting with 1. We have a number of spaces, then again 1, then 1, 2, a number of spaces, 2, 1. Okay. So this pattern is similar to this pattern wherein we have star and then a number of spaces, then star. We have 1 2 stars and then 1 2 3 spaces, then 2 stars, then 1 2 3 1 space, 1 2 3 stars, 1 2 3 4 no space, 1 2 3 stars. So I can say spaces is decreasing by 2 each time. So it was 5 space here, it is 3 space here, it is 1 space here, it is minus 1 space here. Minus 1 is equal to 0, so it won't get printed. So spaces is 0, no spaces here. So can there be a general formula for this? The general formula for the spaces is 2n minus 3. Now you'll say how? Say calculate. 2n minus 3 is what? If we have n as 4 here, the number of spaces is 2 into n, that is 4 to the 8 minus 3, which is 5. So I have 5 spaces here. Now here the spaces will decrease by 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. And similarly. And we have total number of values including the spaces. Total number of values including the spaces as 2n minus 1. We have n as 8, n as 4 here. So 2 into 4 is 8 and minus 1 is 7. So we'll have only 7 values. So we have 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, 6 star, 7 stars. Here also you can see 5 spaces and 1 and 2, 2 stars. So 7 stars, 7 values. Right? So at the most, if the row is 10, then I will have 5 into 2, 10, minus 1, 9 values at the most. Okay? So now we are comfortable with this stars. So let me start with the pattern and let's get to this pattern wherein we can at least print the stars so that we can then move forward. So int n is there, then I've got int space, which will be 2n. So 2 into 2 into n minus 3. Okay, and int star would be 1 because initially we have 1 star. Okay, now I'll write this for loop and I equals 1, I less than equals n, and I plus plus. Okay, you get it? Now this loop will start again and I have for int j equals 1, j will go till star this time because I will have to first print the star and then we'll go to spaces. So j plus plus, and then okay, not here, and then yes, we'll print our stars. So printing stars slash t, this should print my stars, and thereafter I again have to print spaces. So I'll go for int j, or let me say k here. K I'm taking for spaces, so k is going to go till space, right? And the value of space and j plus plus, and then this will print out spaces. So system.out.print, and we have, what do we need to print? Spaces. So slash t. Now okay, and before I run this, I will highlight this, make it a comment, and let me run and see what comes. So the rules cannot find symbol K. Okay, J plus plus. This should be K plus plus. These are silly mistakes we should avoid. Okay, so I'm getting this pattern where one star is there, one star is there, one star is there. Okay, so what else do we need to do? Let's see. This pattern is there, and then I need to write a if statement, or actually not if statement. Since I have started with the star, I have the space, I need the other stars, right? I need this side stars also. So I will write one loop again for stars. So int j equals 1. J will go till equal to star. So j goes till star, j plus plus, and then this will print out my stars. System.out print, and it will print out my stars. So yes, this is done. Now, as we can see, the number of stars are increasing as per the number of rows. So in the first row we have one star, then we have two stars, and then on the right hand side also we have two stars. In the third row we have three stars, then a space, then three stars again. So my spaces should increase. So I'll increase the number of stars, and the spaces will be decreasing. So I'll increase the number of stars by 1, and space would be decreasing by 2. Okay, and also I need to print the line to separate it in different rows. Now let me run and see what comes. So okay, so I've got this pattern wherein I have got yes. So I gave my input as, say, 5, for example, to make it simpler, and then I've got this output wherein I have 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and then I have 5 stars. Okay, so we are getting 1 extra star in the last line. So we have to take care of this. How do we take care of this? Let's see. And also, I don't need stars, I need values. So I will print values. Okay, but wait, I can do this val here because I have to change my vals here only. I don't need any constant. Okay, so I can make, and then this should be star, so this should be my val plus equals this, and then val will be increasing because after 1, 2 should come and not 1, right? So I've got this, and then we'll check here. Spaces is okay, here also it is okay. Then I need one more solution here, which will be if I equals n, then star should decrease and value should also decrease. Why? Because if my I is equal to 4 in this case, and if this value is not decreasing, then the problem we had here of an extra star would appear again, right? Because when my i's value is equal to the number of the rows, I'm getting 5 stars, I'm getting 5 values, but I don't need 5 values. For the second half, I need only 4 values. So I'm decreasing my value. Okay, and now, and also one more thing, this should not be here. This should be somewhere around here, I suppose. Okay, and then I turn this. This is an extra. Okay, and let me run and check. Okay, so this half is printing stars. It's a fun pattern, but I don't need this pattern. I need the value. So I'll print that and let's see if it works. Okay, so it is working, but not to that extent which we wanted. We are getting 1, then we are getting 2 here. We are getting 1, 2, then we are getting 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we are getting 4, 4, 4, and likewise. So we see that this last values are being similar. Like 5, 5, 5 is there, 5, 5, 5 is there. So what do we need to do? This value is my last value here. Okay, and I need to decrease this value, because if I don't decrease it, that will be the value I'll be getting, right? That is why I'm getting 5, 5, 5, I'm getting 4, 4, 4, I'm getting 3, 3, 3, because there is nothing happening with this value. So the last value that we have is what is getting printed. This last value is what it is getting printed. So I don't need that. I need a val minus minus to make it lesser. Like after 4, 3 should come. After 3, 2, 1, like that. So after 5, 4 should come, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay. So now let me run and check. And we check that we have got this pattern which is similar to the above pattern here. So we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We can again check it for, say, 7. And then we get this pattern. Okay. It would be thinking why I only put 7. 7 is my lucky number. So that is that. So let me submit the case and check if all the test cases are confirmed. And what is the output? 0 out of 0. So that's a full marks. So yes, whatever it is, all my test cases have been confirmed because there is no error. So thank you for tuning in, and hopefully you have got this lecture covered. Thank you.